Hey folks, it's Mike and Michelle and our good friend Kathy, and we're down here in Florida at the Pinellas Byway, and we're getting ready to do a little kayak trip. And we're with these kind folks, so I think we got some clear kayaks, so we'll be able to see what's in the water. And here we go. You'll get to meet the our guide. There was a cancellation, so we get a little private tour to Shell Island. So,
I will try my hardest. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that. There's not really any sharks, not anything that's gonna hurt you. There are sharks here, just not ones that are gonna hurt you.
you ladies ready for this?
We are ready. We just had our orientation from Alivia, and we are ready to go.
And again, look, here's the kayaks. These are the clear kayaks. I think they might be the same kind at the Red River Gorge Underground. So we'll be able to see what's in the water. And Olivia gets this sharp, nice perception kayak.
Yeah.
So the tracking on these isn't that great, but we'll still get to where we need to go.
And we won't tip over.
The water's super clear here, and it's not that deep. Here's the view. We're on our way. We got a visitor right here, right there. And let me give you a little view. Not much color here yet, but like I said, it's probably, it might be like 2 feet, 1.5 feet. I guess we're heading over that way. Waiting for one of these birds to get under the kayak. Yep, there it is right there. You can't see it, there it went. Both of them went. What's up? Where they at? There they go. There's probably one underneath the kayak right now. Here they go. Going underneath. Getting close to these mangroves. There's one right there. You see the bird getting underneath the kayak. There it is. Looks like we're heading to this beach. It's gonna get shallow right here. See the change in the color? Here comes Kathy. We just saw a dolphin. Well, that horseshoe crab didn't fare too well. It was dinner for somebody. But look at this water. See that? Look how clear. Some little fish right there. love this water. Here's the sign on Shell Key Preserve. Welcome to Shell Key Preserve. And that's all the information. It looks like sea turtle season, May 1st through September 30th, so campfires are prohibited. That's cool, you can camp here.
This makes me, it's a whelk, but these like are very spiky. Yeah, for a whelk, but yeah, I believe that's a whelk. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you also,
Somebody
it's got
in
that
there.
kind of tail in there. Yeah.
Somebody in there.
This thing is called the aperture, the opening, and then this is called foot. The foot area there. So those guys are cool to see. Those guys, some of them, when you pick them up, whelks emit this like pheromone that lets everybody else in the area know, like hermit crabs and things like that there's like a predator at loose and stuff. So yeah, but that guy's kind of cool to see.
This is a spiral conch. You can tell by the colors, the spiral colors. Olivia's a good guide, giving us the intel on what kind of conch these are. Bye bye. So next up, Olivia is going to take us from this Shell Key over to the mangrove tunnels. But it was a cool little visit here. She's gonna check if we can make it through this. Here I go. I think I'm just gonna use the roots to pull me through rather than a paddle, so I can give you a little view. Can you see ahead? Isn't that pretty neat? Okay, so what I'm having to do instead of paddling through here is I'm using these roots to get my way through. A little bumpy. Here's the way out. That's kind of cool. Coming from back there.
We're getting a little bit of cloud coverage. It's good. Just at the right time.
Basically kind of attaches itself to the tentacles of the jellyfish, and what it does is it kind of just sits on the surface of the seafloor for two different reasons. The first is because it's kind of trying to attract fish, and once the fish go through, it'll snap it up and inject a venom into them that basically paralyzes them. And then the second is to allow the zooxanthal to photosynthesize and stuff. And so when the zooxanthal photosynthesize, they turn into this kind of green bluish color you're seeing. It's a more well-developed island because it's got all the little black mangrove roots, little black sticks kind of growing directly out of the ground.
The ones that look like asparagus
Yep. Yeah, so those asparagus
are coming off something very mature.
Yeah. Yeah, so they're basically a signifier that that island has been around for longer than this island. So it's kind of a good juxtaposition
Yeah, you can tell.
right here. You can just tell the difference. This one also farther back, and it has different types of like foreign types of trees and stuff that aren't necessarily native to kind of mangrove marsh areas. So
Do you know, I was wondering if like it would be buggy back here and I haven't seen a single bug.
So it's because we're gonna go through our last tunnel. You're gonna have probably a few mosquitoes here and there. This one in particular, very well circulated just because of how wide it is, and also it's primarily saltwater, and mosquitoes make their nests in fresh water and stuff like that. So the reason that the last tunnel we'll go through, which is on Sawyer Key, is gonna have more mosquitoes is A, because it's closer to the kind of coastline than this one is, and B, because when it rains, because that Sawyer Island is like, I think it's like in the 500-year-old range, 500 to 1,000-year-old, but it's got actual dirt on there that kind of holds that rainwater that you experience. So there's more ability for mosquitoes and such to nest and breed in that area.
What other kinds of animals are living in there?
Mainly birds. There's like I've seen 1 or 2 snakes out here, but they're not like, they're mostly just saltwater snakes, so they're not gonna really do anything to you. But that's pretty much it. There's no alligators out here because it's completely saltwater and stuff, so pretty much just birds.
But like no amphibians like frogs?
You would think, but again, there's not really that much fresh water, and the only fresh water there is
they want fresh water.
So. Frogs, like 5 jumped onto me, and they jumped like down my shirt, and I thought I had gotten them all, and then I went to the bathroom later, and there was a frog off my leg.
Okay, out of that tunnel. Look how many there are around us.
Kathi, what are these birds called? There you go.
Yep. Still trying to get it. Who won? They're still fighting. There it is. Look at them fighting. Anybody win? I guess nobody got that one. We're getting ready to go through another mangrove tunnel. All right, here we go. So probably gonna have to do a little monkey bar action in here instead of paddling because it's kind of thin and we can grab branches. Check it out. See that? I gotta turn. Here's what Kathi was talking about, asparagus. These are the mangrove roots. Looks like asparagus. I'll give you a little nudge. Michelle and Olivia are up there. Got a little straightaway here. I'm gonna kind of paddle with my hands too. But you see how successful that is. Okay. So there's a little more fresh water over here going through here, so there's an occasional buzzing of a mosquito in my ear. Sorry about blocking the video there, but I gotta switch hands. Getting through these roots, and now I'm stuck. All right, gotta let you go. Looks like the end of the tunnel's coming up. I'm still gonna be doing these little monkey grabs on the roots. Help navigate. This way Kathy's doing it too. Just grabbing the root and moving forward. Oh, you're fine. But look how thick the mangroves are here. That was cool. Super cool. Yeah, the longest mangrove tunnel.
Mangroves are actually 50% more effective in defending against storms and storm surge than mangroves or than seawalls.
Now we're heading back. We'll give you a little recap of our little kayak tour, get you more information on who we're with and where we are down here. So we're about, Kathy and I are ready for a Bloody Mary. That's all I know. Yeah, we had a great time with Alivia and the company.
Island Ferry, yeah.
Island Ferry. So we had a killer time, so thumbs up from us.
Yeah. Yes, amazing.
Thumbs up for me.
Yeah.
And if you leave a review, her nickname is Darkness.
Darkness.
It's not true. He likes to make fun of me because I tan so much, like I was saying, you know?
I get pretty, I have that skin too. Where it's
Yeah.
like,
But yeah, that was killer.
Yeah, it was great having you guys.
Hi,
Super
thanks.
fun.
thank you.
I'll put the link below of the company, and really it's a cool thing to do down here. Little cool tour, and ask for Alivia. Alivia.
Literally.
See ya.
They were awful. She was pulling these big cocktails out of the ocean.
I don't have lettuce wrap. I